everyone, nice to see you. Now I would like to discuss about how to compose a cash flow for Beijing plant operation for ready-mix concrete supply for construction in the oil and gas field. So this program consists of 10 worksheets. This is start from design need proportion and material unit price table, material cost calculation, okay, minimum baseline manpower and its rates, monthly manpower cost breakdown, material procurement schedule, material allocation schedule, major construction equipment insurance costs, Beijing plant operational costs, and here it is the estimated cash flow. So before we are discussing this program, I would like to inform you the term and condition applied for this program are okay. So first, concrete volume for these projects is cover 12,628 cubic meter by composition concrete type 1 6,883, concrete type 5 5,745, and for the scheduled periods or contract periods 13 months. So we have also monthly concrete demand schedule, okay, as you seen on the screen here, okay, and the major construction equipment should be owned by the company. So we only calculate the insurance costs for the major construction equipment. Also we have competitive unit price that offered by supplier support this project. Okay, now we start from the concrete mix design. Before we start this project, we should have concrete mix design they compose for these projects, and concrete mix design composition approved by main contractor and client. So after we got approval, we found summary concrete mix design as seen on the screen here. Okay, this is for the all class of the concrete, starting from class G by the strength 2000 by type 1, class D by the strength 3000 by type 5, class A with the strength 4000 by type 1, class A1 by strength 5000 and the type 1, and the last one is class A2 by strength 5000 and by type 5. And then we could see here the material proportion for each class of the concrete. Yes, for example, for class D, strength 2000 by type 1, okay, we have material proportion for cement 270 kilogram, and for water 175 kilogram. Sand local by the quantity of 520 kilogram, aggregate 262, retarded 1 liter, and water cement ratio 0.684, and then slump both initial and specify. Okay, and this is same also for other class of the concrete. Yes, we have material proportion for each class. Okay, and then we have some competitive price offering by our supplier. Support for this project is by the condition receive on site. Yes, receive on site. This is on site basis cost. Yes. Okay, we found here unit price for the aggregate as seen on the screen here. Yes, and this is, and for others, concrete raw material aggregate, and then cement, concrete sand. Okay, and then we make a calculation table for the material cost. Yes, it's seen on the screen here for the each class of concrete. Yes, we have total supply here for each class of the concrete. For example, concrete class G type 1 by strength 2000 psi, we have total supply 1613, and we have material proportion. We have material proportion based on design mix, based on approved design mix, and then we calculate design mix, and the total of concrete supply. Yes, the total of concrete supply of each class, and then we found the quantity for the cement here, and then for the aggregate here, and the pour sand here, and also for the daratan and darachem, so super retarder and super plasticizer, I mean. And then we have unit price here. Yes, this is based on unit price that offered by our contractor that support this project. Okay, and we also include loss factor for the each concrete raw material, and then we found total price for each concrete raw material, and then finally we found the total price for each class of concrete here, and we found also unit price per cubic meter class of each concrete. Okay, here unit price for cubic meter concrete is found from dividing total price with the total supply of each class. This is okay, and this is the other material material price for other class of concrete. This is for D type 5 with strength 3000 psi, and as the price is here, and this is the unit price also for concrete class A type 1 for strength 4000 psi. Okay, this is the total price, and this is the unit price. And the last one is total price for the concrete class A2 with a strength 5000 and with a type 5. Okay, the total price we found here, and this is the unit price per cubic meter. And then we found the grand total of the total price here. Okay, now we jump to other section or other worksheet. So as seen on the screen here, we compose monthly manpower, minimum base plan manpower and its rate. Yes. So we only assign the personnel for Jakarta hire or key personnel and local hire for direct manpower only. Yes. And this is the breakdown of the total manpower, both of direct and indirect or key personnel only, for supporting this project. And then we found the total unit rate for its manpower or its personnel. Yeah. Also, we calculate the cost for mobilization and demobilization for its personnel. Also, leave allowance for 3 months. Okay, and then based on the bed plan manpower rates, we calculate monthly manpower cost breakdown. Yes, this is based on basic salary that we compose in previously sheets here. Yes, okay, and then we calculate mob demo cost, leave for 3 months, resident allowance, project allowance, service allowance, meal allowance, nature allowance, and natural allowance, transport allowance, functional allowance, ship allowance. This is the total basic salary. Yes, this is estimate total overtime, and this is the overall cost for each personnel. And based on this monthly manpower cost breakdown, okay, we make or we compose monthly manpower allocation schedule. Yes, this is adjusted to the monthly concrete demand schedule, but we compose the manpower allocation schedule 2 months earlier from the monthly concrete demand schedule. This is for a specific reason or a specific interest to the project. Okay, and we demobilize certain personnel 2 months ahead. This is for to complete all outstanding matters. Yes, regarding to the project outstanding. Okay. Okay, and now here monthly manpower allocation schedule. Okay, monthly manpower allocation schedule, and it monthly cost. So we found the grand total cost for the manpower allocation here. Yes, this is this one. This is including all allowance apply to each personnel. Yes, this is the total manpower allocation cost. And then we devise material procurement schedule, its cost and quantities. Yes, this is the material procurement composed 1 month ahead or 1 month earlier from the monthly concrete demand schedule. Yes, okay, here this is the monthly concrete demand schedule. Yes, then this is a PO or subcontracting. This is material procurement. Yes, material procurement this device or compose for 1 month ahead or for 1 month earlier. Yes, this is the concrete raw material quantities here, and this is the material cost. Yes, this is the material cost, and this is we found the total material cost. Yeah, the total material cost. Okay, and this is the material allocation schedule. Yes, this is material allocation schedule. This is material allocation schedule. This section is composed based on the material schedule. Yes, material schedules adjusted to the monthly concrete demand schedule. Okay, here, and we procure this material 1 month ahead or 1 month earlier, yeah, from the monthly concrete demand schedule. Okay, and then insurance costs, as I mentioned before, the major construction equipment should be owned by the company. So in this program, we also calculate the insurance costs for the major construction equipment. Okay, here it is. Yes, here it is. And the total for the premium insurance for 1.4 year. Yes, 1.4 year. It's mean 16 months. Yes, 16 months. Okay. And then we found the total price, yes, for the premium, yeah, for the premium major construction equipment insurance. Yes, this is operational cost. Yes, operational cost. Yes, we compose the detailed operational cost for Beijing plant operation. Yeah, starting from temporary facility. So kind of construction for the temporary facility we should calculate here. Yes, starting from site office. Yes, contain of office container 40 feet. Yes, and the laboratory office container 40 feet, staff office container 40 feet, quantity to unit for the office container, and mechanics laboratory office or container 40 feet 1 unit, staff office container 40 feet 1 unit, mechanic tool container 40 feet 1 unit. And this is the price estimation. Yeah, price estimation. Cement storage, construction for cement storage, and this is the estimated price. Yeah, estimated price for this construction cement storage. And then workshop, construction for the workshop shelter, construction for waterborne concrete, construction for powerhouse with the size, yes, with the size detail, and then camp and housing, temporary fence, gates, ditch, etc. Okay, and then we calculate office and main supply. Yeah, direct office supply, and then indirect office supply. Yes, indirect office supply, and then main supply, and then construction equipment maintenance and repair. Sorry. Okay, and then construction equipment and other supporting facilities mobilization and demobilization, and home office costs. Home office costs for office supply and indirect costs, and then other site operational costs. Okay, and here it is, the total for the operational costs. Yes. Yeah. Okay, and then we put all calculation costs. Yes, all calculation costs that we made that we calculate already in the previously worksheets, and we put in this cash flow, yeah, in this cash flow template, yes, in this cash flow template based on its own allocation, yes. Okay, so we should be carefully to compose the price based on its allocation, yeah, based on its allocation. So this is the concrete supply, yeah, this is the concrete supply, yeah, this is monthly concrete demand schedule, yeah, starting on the fifth month, yeah, fifth month of this cash flow, yeah, of this cash flow, sorry, of this cash flow, yes. Okay, so for the cash in budget, yes, cash in budget here, we receive the down payment, sorry, 1 2 3, yeah, 4 months earlier, yeah, 4 months earlier, before the starting month of the concrete supply, yeah. And then we receive the payment for mobilization and demobilization here, yes, sorry, okay, payment for mobilization and demobilization here. This is the 3 months, yeah, 3 months earlier, yeah, before the first month concrete supply, yes. And then cash out budget, yes, cash out budgets, we put the mobilization and demobilization costs in the 1 2 3 4 months, yeah, 4 months before the first month concrete supply. And then recondition for bagging plan, equipment and other tool. This is we arrange 5 months earlier, yeah, before the first month concrete supply. Okay, and then this is base plan installation and supervision. Yes, this is base plan installation and supervision. We arrange this cost. Yes, we arrange or allocate this cost 3 months earlier for the base plan foundation construction. Sorry, for the construction of base plan foundation, and 2 months earlier before the first month concrete supply for the supervision. Yes, for the supervision. And this is the certification. Yes, we put 2 months before the first month concrete supply. And this is purchase material. Yeah, purchase material, we put 1 month ahead or 1 month earlier before the first month concrete supply here. Okay, and then for the office, for the temporary facility, for the construction equipment, we put or we allocate this cost 4 months, yeah, 4 months earlier before the first month concrete supply. Also for the manpower insurance, yeah, 4 months earlier before concrete supply. Okay, and then this is for temporary operational cost, yeah, especially for temporary facility. This is we allocate 3 months before the first month concrete supply. Okay, and the mesh supply, this is we allocate altogether with the first month of concrete supply. Okay, and as said above, in this cash flow, we use the project capital, yes, project capital or own capital, yeah, or company capital invested for this project. Yes, this project capitals is the company capital utilized for supporting this project. This cost allocate for the for support project operational cost that minus in the earlier of the project schedule, yeah, in the earlier project schedule. That's why we use company capital or project capital, yes. And this is purchase material. Okay, as I said previously, this is should allocated 1 month before before the first month complete supply. Okay, and this is the construction equipment insurance. Yes, construction equipment insurance. We allocate 4 months before the first month of concrete supply, and then this is the temporary facility. Yeah, we should allocate 3 months earlier. Yeah, 3 months earlier. This is any capital return. Yeah, any capital return. This is cost of money. Yeah, we calculate project capital or company capital. We calculate and return back as a cost of money. Yeah, cost of money. And we make schedule for the pay cost of money from own capital or company capital. Yes, we make a schedule, and we make schedule for the cost allocation, for the refund of cost of money. Okay, for the refund. For payment cost of money. Yes, this is based on the excess balance of its excess balance of its monthly excess. Yeah, of a monthly excess we found in each allocation. Yeah, in each allocation cost. Okay, and this is the spaces for the calculation of the cost of money. Yeah, cost of money. This is, and I already make a formula therein to make is for the calculation of the cost of money. Okay, and this accumulative balance for this project is here it is, 249,636.88 dollars. Yes, okay. Okay, then this all information needed to compose the good estimated cash flow. But the main important key to compose the good estimated cash flow in this case is project schedule. Yes, the project schedule should become a reference or basic information to compose the good estimated cash flow. Yes, to well allocated project costs. Okay, I make this video to visually explain the posting that I posted on LinkedIn. Yes, and hopefully you are understand well. You are clearly understand how to compose the estimated cash flow for Beijing plant operation for ready mix concrete supply in the construction oil and gas field. But should you have any question related to this cash flow, you can reach me at imranamami@gmail.com. Okay, thank you very much for your attention. Hopefully this program or this video is useful for you, and see you in next video. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.